I made these air fryer potato wedges the other day, and wow, they turned out so crispy and perfect. And seriously, so easy. I am going to show you exactly how long to cook them in the air fryer and the right temperature, so they are spot on every time. To make these air fryer potato wedges, I recommend using russet potatoes because they get so nice and crispy on the outside while staying soft and fluffy inside. Their texture is perfect for wedges, and the skin crisps up beautifully in the air fryer. If you can't find russet potatoes, Yukon Gold potatoes are also a great option. And leave the skin on, it adds extra crispiness and that rustic look and more flavor. Just give them a good scrub before cutting them into wedges. Next, take a large bowl and fill it with cold water and a handful of ice cubes. Soak the potato wedges in a bowl of ice water for about 10 minutes. This helps pull out the extra starch, which is super important if you want them really crispy. Plus, the ice helps keep them from turning that weird brown color while you finish getting everything else ready. After soaking, drain the potato wedges and lay them out in a single layer on a paper towel. Then, take another paper towel and gently press down to pat them dry. Make sure to get all the sides because any moisture left will stop them from crisping up in the air fryer. Next, in a small bowl, mix together 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon salt. This seasoning mix gives the potato wedges a really nice smoky flavor, a little bit of spice, and that golden color when they cook. Next, take a large bowl, make sure it's really dry because remember, we don't want any moisture, and put the potato wedges in the bowl. Then sprinkle all of the seasoning mix we just made over the wedges. Drizzle some olive oil on top and mix the potato wedges really well until all the wedges are nicely coated all over, as you can see here. Next, take the air fryer basket and put the potato wedges in a single layer so they cook evenly and get nice and crispy. If you have a small air fryer, you'll probably need to do this in batches. Preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius and cook the potato wedges for 12 minutes. After that, remove the basket and flip each wedge for even cooking. Then increase the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius and air fry for another 12 minutes until the wedges are golden and crispy. I love how these potato wedges turn out. Super crispy on the outside, and the inside stays soft and fluffy. The seasoning gives them a smoky, garlicky kick, and honestly, I could eat the whole batch myself. If you like these crispy air fryer potato wedges, you've got to try these air fryer chicken strips that I made here. They're so nice and crispy, and way better than the ones you get from McDonald's. Check it out now.